Hi everyone, it is Thursday and we are focusing on all of our number units that we've been doing this term. So whole number, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. We're going to be checking how we're going with those things this week. All right, so the first thing we do, we need to have our Jamboard up and then we need to press our arrow to go to our second slide. Okay, place the numbers in order from the lowest to the highest number. Okay, so here we've got numbers 20, 3, 8, 30 and 16. So we just want to put our top row of numbers into order. Okay, so all we have to do is press on the number and hold our mouse key down to move it, okay, and move wherever we think that it should go. And then we can do the same thing with all of the other numbers and place them into order from the lowest to the highest number, okay? And then we've got a second row. So if you find that easy, then you can go on and do your second row. So we're going to sequence them into order as well. So again, press down, hold it, and slide it over, okay, to wherever you think it should go. And then check your answers and you can move to the next slide. All right, match the numbers to the words by drawing a line. So we've got the numbers 30, 15, 20, 12 and 18 and we need to match it to the numbers that are over here. So we're going to get our pen tool and we're going to press our shift key and then hold our pen tool and move our pen wherever we think it belongs, okay, and make a nice straight line. All right, so that's what you need to do with that activity. And now we're going to partition the numbers into tens and ones. So our number is 19. We've got our tens and ones here, and we can place them along so we know how many tens are in the number 19 and how many ones are in the number 19. So we've got our one blocks as well, okay? So we can use our hands-on tools to help us with that. And then once we have our answer, we're going to double click and you can take away my writing and you can type your answer in. So what is your answer? How many tens does 19 have? And then you type your answer in there and press save, okay? And then we're going to go to the ones, we're going to double click again and you type your answer and you press save. Okay, so that's how you complete that task on the Jamboard. Let's move to the next one. Partition the numbers into tens and ones again. This number is 15. So we repeat the process, partitioning the numbers into tens and ones. Next page. Okay, this one's a little trickier, but we've got a number line to help us. So we're finding the nearest 10. Okay, so what is the closest 10 to the number that we have? So this one is 12. So we look on our onto our number line and we can circle our number 12 and then work out which 10 is closer. Is the 20 or the 10 closer to 12? And then we'll go to our Post-it note and double click whether it was 10 or 20, okay? And then press save. All right, and we do the same thing with 18. So we might use a different color each time. So with 18, or we might even use the matching colors, that would be helpful. So we can go to 18, have a look where 18 sits, and then work out which number is closer to 18, which 10, is it 20 or 10, okay? And repeat again, we've got 9, circle our 9, which is closer, double click and write our answer. And then we've got 15, find 15, which is closer, is it 10? Is it 20? Is it 30? And then double click to write your answer. Okay. And that's how you complete that page. All right, and then we've got use the counters to solve the subtraction number sentences. Okay, there's two number sentences here. We've got 9 to 3, 9 take away 3. So just to help you a little bit, there's some counters. So you might want to collect your counters, how many you need. So I might even arrange them on your Jamboard a little bit more like this, so you've got more space. And you can just get out the number, the amount that you need for each problem. When you're finished, pop them back so that you've got more room to write your answer. You can get your pen tool and you can write your answer that way. You can get your text box and you can type your answer that way. Or you can always get a post-it note and type your answer there as well. Okay? So with using the counters should make this a little bit of an easier process. Okay? So remembering that we're focusing on subtraction for this one. Okay? So we're taking away. And lucky last page. Use the think board to sort the collection of counters. So we've got our think boards, which we used earlier this term, and we want to sort these numbers and put them into equal groups, okay? We want to place it into rows and columns, and we want to write it as repeated addition, so we're adding them together, okay? So remember, what are some of the strategies that we did last time? We started by putting them in twos, didn't we? Just a little hint. We can try groups of 2, or we could try groups of 3. Depends what the number is. So you need to work out what's going to be the best and make sure that our groups are equal, because that's what we're looking at, equal groups. Okay? I think you can do it. All right, and that's the end of our Jamboard. So good luck with everything, and please ask for help if you need it. Bye.